Ever wanted the power of Linux without ditching your familiar Windows environment? First, let's prepare Windows. We need to shrink our existing Windows partition to make space for Ubuntu. Go to the Disk Management tool. You can search Disk Management in the Windows search bar. Identify your main Windows drive, usually C. Right-click on the C drive and select Shrink Volume. Windows will then query the drive to determine how much space you can free up. Enter how much space you want allocated to Ubuntu. This space will be used for the Linux installation. I recommend at least 30 gigabytes, but more is always better. Click Shrink. Now you'll see an allocated space on your drive. This is what we'll use for Ubuntu. Next, you'll need to create a bootable USB drive with the Ubuntu installation ISO. You can download the Ubuntu ISO while the latest LTS version is best. Then use a tool like Rufus or Etcher to flash the ISO to a USB drive. Make sure the USB is formatted correctly and selected as the destination for the ISO. Now, restart your computer and enter your BIOS or UEFI settings menu. The specific key to enter the BIOS varies by manufacturer, but it's usually Dell, F2, F12 or AS. During startup in the boot order settings, change the boot order to prioritize your USB drive. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. After restarting again, your computer should boot from the Ubuntu installation USB. Choose Try Ubuntu or Install Ubuntu on the installation screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. During the installation process, when prompted for the installation type, select something else. This option lets us manually partition the unallocated space we created earlier. In the partitioning section, select the unallocated space and create a root partition. Then, create a swap partition while the size should be about the same size as your RAN, and a home partition for your files. After you have all the partitions, you'll need to select where you want to install your bootloader. Typically, you install it on the drive with the Ubuntu installation, which is often /dev/sda or /dev. SDB. Click Install now. Once installation completes, restart your computer. You should now see a boot menu, allowing you to choose between Ubuntu and Windows 10. Congratulations, you're now dual booting.